Hi there. In this video, we're going to learn about a new feature we recently launched inside the Interfunnels, which is the step-by-step wizard. This was not there before, but we recently implemented this. And today we're going to learn how to create an opt-in funnel using the step-by-step wizard. So what is a step-by-step wizard? It basically walks you through the difficult process of setting up a Interfunnels account. And when you're a new user, you're going to see this screen and it will show you exactly how the funnels are set up. So first of all, you have to click on this button which says, yes, I want to start now. Now we have 8 different business models and we're going to get to each one of them. But today we're going to focus on how to capture the leads. But if you want to sell through sales funnel, this is the step you want to take. And if you want to create a membership site, then this is the goal for you. So these are the goals. So we ask you, what is your goal basically? So you have to show us that you want to capture leads, sell a single product, or sell a course, or host a webinar. These are the 4 goals that are used only for the sales funnels. And for the stores, we have an e-commerce store, a drop shipping store, which connects you to the AliExpress. And you can actually import the product from AliExpress and fulfill your orders using Interfunnels. That is built into Interfunnels. And then if you want to create a restaurant website where you can take online orders for the restaurant business, then this is the right goal for you. And if you want to have a booking.com like room reservation system, then this is the goal for you. So these are the 8 different business models that you can implement using Interfunnels. So today we're going to do the leads funnel, how to create the leads captured. So if your goal is to capture the leads, then this is the right step for you. So when you select this, you immediately come to the next step. And now we ask you, what is your business type? So we have the templates available for every business type. So if you're marketing or digital marketing, or you are launching a product or any kind of a digital marketing, then you are going to choose this one. If you are hosting an event, if you are in the loans industry, if you are in the real estate industry, we have a template for every business type. So most of these are covered here. We are adding more templates every day. So we have one for the dentist, salons, spas, coaching. So these are very, very carefully designed specifically to your business type and business goal. Okay. So let's say we're going to go for the loans and then we click the next. Now what happens is you are asked to choose the template. So we have this mortgage template here. I'm going to select this. If I want to preview this, I can just click here and I can see how this works, right? So this is going to take me to the actual template. We ask them some questions, whether you want purchase, whether you want refinance, whether you want equity or rev mortgage. So we click on the purchase and then goes to the next step and the next step. So this is a step-by-step wizard. In the end, they ask you for the name and email. You can add as many steps as you want. And then at the end, we ask them for the name and email. This is a quick way of capturing the home loans and mortgage leads, basically, right? So this is just an example. So I'm going to choose this and then I'm going to click the next. And now I'm going to name this funnel. I'm going to call it the mortgage funnel. Okay. And administrator name, I'm going to put anything like Interfunnels loans. Okay. And the email, I'm going to put my email. This should be a real email address, real business email address. Then I'm going to click the next. Now it's going to ask me which autoresponder service I want to integrate with. So in this case, we have different autoresponder services available. But remember, we do have our own Interfunnels autoresponder system available now. It takes a little while to set up your space and everything. Okay, so now it asks me whether we want to integrate an autoresponder or not. I'm going to select yes. When I select yes, the first autoresponder that it asks me is the Interfunnels autoresponder. So Interfunnels has its own autoresponder system. You just have to plug and play to some SMTP company like SendGrid or Mailgun. That's all you need to do. But we have a fully automated autoresponder system. But we also have options for Aweber, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse. All these options are also available. So for example, if you're connecting with the MailChimp autoresponder, you're going to put the API key here. but I'm going to use Interfunnels autoresponders. It doesn't need any settings. I'm going to do the done, and here you go. This is your funnel URL, which you can preview, and this is set up inside your account, and you can click on the customize your funnel, and it will take me to the funnel step. Now there is already a video about how the funnel steps work, but I'll give you a quick overview. So this is your funnel steps. Right now you are in the pages tab. So you can basically duplicate this. You can go to the editor, open the editor from here, and customize your text and images and everything. Okay, so this is my step 2, this is my step 3. I can add as many steps and more steps if I want to, but these are already laid out for you, and this funnel is ready to take the mortgage leads. I mean, you just have to go out there and change some icons, change your logo, change some text here, and this is ready to accept the mortgage leads. Okay, so we have a template for every business. So this is specifically for the mortgages, but you can take another template that works for example, that works for dentists, another that works for the chiropractors. So we have at least one template for every business type, and we are adding more templates. So just a quick overview of the settings. You can always go to the settings and go to the autoresponder and change your autoresponder from here. And then on the page level, you have to come back here and mention what happens when a lead is submitted on this step. So when visitor exits or submits this form, you want to add them to a specific list inside your autoresponder. Okay, so I don't have any lists right now, but you can go to this email tool that we have and add a list, and when this form is submitted, you want all leads to go to this particular autoresponder list. So this is how you will build a opt-in funnel using Interfunnels wizard. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to build a sales funnel using Interfunnels wizard. Thank you so much.